Hi everybody, I just wanted to say welcome to English 101. The Canvas class is now open, so you are welcome to get started on our orientation module. Remember that our first face-to-face class meeting is going to be next Wednesday, the 22nd. But in the meantime, you are welcome to do the orientation module. It's important that you start with the course orientation start page. This will walk you through everything you need to do in the orientation module. There is also a timeline that kind of shows you what you should be working on throughout this kind of first week of class. You can also see what we're going to be doing on the first day of class. All of the orientation module, the discussion board, the quiz, all of that will be done on your own time. In class on Wednesday, it's just going to be a welcome, an overview of the course. I'm going to hit some of the highlights of the syllabus. We're going to do some self-introductions, and we're going to start working on some week 2 content, so actually getting into class content. So all of the orientation module is designed to just familiarize yourself with the class, the course expectations, what content we're going to be covering this year, attendance policies, late work policies, and introductions. So that's kind of all on you to get done. Like I said, this start page walks you through what you need to do, and it also gives you kind of a helpful timeline to ensure that you get everything for the everything for the orientation module done by Friday. If you don't get everything done by Friday, you will be withdrawn from the class. So please note that that is a policy I have. So you're welcome to get started on this now and get ahead and just get everything for the orientation module done now. Or you can wait. The option is yours. Look at your scheduling over the next 2 weeks and figure out what you have to do. If you have any questions, you're welcome to email. Like I said, the class is open, so click around, start investigating. And I look forward to meeting you all next Wednesday on our first day of class. I will send out a reminder email next week that gives you your room number and our times that we're meeting, and just like a nice little friendly reminder that we have that coming up. But I look forward to seeing you all next week. Good luck getting started.